and create this template. I think it's a beautiful one for the ones who love cats. It's nice and easy to create. Okay, let's go and see how we can create this. At first, you need to connect to the internet. We create a new slide and then go to insert, and from insert we go here to videos. I saw it here, videos, and go to stock videos. Wait a little for the videos to load. It takes a little time. It has some premium videos, free videos. We choose these free videos and insert it. It takes a little time to download and insert the video. After that, we create a new slide. We have to create this effect here. How we can create this? Okay, let's go and try to create this. We at first create a shape, rectangle to the mid, and then we need to insert a text box. After creating this text box, we write C-A-T, the cat, and change the type, increase it in size. Okay, we must reduce it a little. That's like this. That's good. After that, we need to center this text and then align it in center, put these two together and then combine them. After combining them, you put shape outline to none and then just go to format shape, fill, and make the transparency low. We just copy that and put it here. We can make the transparency lower too if you want, I think. Let me just make it. Okay. Let's run it. The effect have been created. This template under 2 minutes. We are in the way to the 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.